Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Crown Royale box break number 9. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number NE991-77691. Let's get on the break. Best of luck, everyone. Pack 1. Start with the base and base. We have all the Kingsman jersey card for the Flyers of James Van Riemsdyk. And a rookie for the Predators of Matthias Ekholm. And base. Pack 2. We have a base. We have an In Harm's Way card for the Blues of Yaroslav Halak. Looks like we have a silhouette card. A rookie silhouette card. Nice hit for the Florida Panthers of Eric Gunbranson. Number 36 out of 99. Nice hit for Florida. For the Blackhawks, Bobby Hull. And base. Pack 3. And base and base. We have a Lords of the NHL hit for the Bruins of Patrice Bergeron. And a Ruby parallel card for the Senators of Erik Karlsson. And base. And the last pack. Base and base. We have redemption. It's a rookie royalty signature card, number 148. That card goes to the Jets. Say 148. Paul Postma. That card goes to Winnipeg. Decoy. Bit of Ice Kings card for the Penguins of Mario Lemieux. And base to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.